I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. Smart systems lead to better margins. PD Tech streamlines the admin for Kiwi tradespeople.
Watch this video as we show you how to edit a fixed asset. In the fixed asset register, select the asset you want to edit. For this example, we'll edit the office desk. Once in the fixed asset details, you can edit the details as needed. For example, you might have a warranty expiry date you want to enter. Click into the warranty expiry field. For this example, we'll make the expiry date 2 years in the future. Once you have made the changes, select either Save as Draft or Register, and we'll register for this example. To edit a registered fixed asset, in the Registered tab, select the fixed asset you want to edit. We'll choose Office Chair. Then, click Edit Details. Next, edit the details that you want to change. For this example, we'll change the rate to 20%. Now click Save Changes to confirm the details.